Everyone loves a good unboxing, especially for a new toy. Corey just got a new cutout tool and he's super excited to show you what he's got. I said he could show you his bits and it likely won't be the last time. I'm Danielle and welcome to De-cor Homes.
But really, the most satisfying way to use your cutout tool is to cut out a door or a window. So, enjoy it with me. Hi there, Corey from De-cor Homes here. Excited to show off a cool new toy that I bought. It's called a Milwaukee Cut Out Tool, M18. There's M12, M18s. M18s refer to these types of batteries that slide in, okay? Boop. The M12s are the smaller batteries. They're typically round and you push them in the bottom. The majority of my tools are M18 tools. We got this new Milwaukee Cut Out Tool. The reason why I'm so excited about this is because I started off with a regular drywall knife, and then I switched to a RotoZip brand cutout tool, which was great, but it had a cord. We are switching towards everything towards battery operated because we want the freedom of being able to be mobile. Check this out. All battery operated, so it tends to follow the same theme of the rest of our tools. Wow, check this out. This is a mean looking tool. Look at that, beautiful. So one thing to keep in mind when you have these battery operated tools, they do tend to add some weight. Just start with a small battery. The small battery doesn't increase. Ooh, check out the power on that, eh? The small battery doesn't increase the weight too much. If you were to jump to an XC8 high output battery, this will last you for days and days and days, but it's not required. And when you're holding your arms above your head, you're gonna thank yourself for using a smaller battery. When I'm putting a new little bit in, what I always end up doing is I take out the battery, because as you could see, the thing just turned on by itself, right? So I'm seeing, this is the on and off button. Boop, boop, okay? This button here pulls up your guard, so that if you have different levels, if you're using a cutout tool without your guard, you're going to break your bit because you need to be perfectly straight all the time, okay? This is the whole idea. You have to be perfectly level all the time. When you're not level, then your bit breaks, okay? And drywall bits are cheap, but tile bits are expensive, okay? Wood bits are fairly cheap too, but still, like, why break bits when you don't need to? So adjust your guard to the proper amount, use the right bit for the tool, and look at this, it's even got a light on it. Like, how cool is that, eh? And the nice part is you got this angled, so when you want to change your bit, all you have to do is press this button here, and you turn until you can't turn no more, and then this thing comes off. It doesn't come off completely, but it opens enough so that it loosens those 4 little pieces there. When you tighten it up, then it tightens up those 4 pieces and it squeezes. It's like a compression fitting, okay? So always use an adjustable wrench, but what a tool. So the one really nice thing about this tool is that it is mobile. You don't have to worry about accidentally cutting your own wire. That's one of the big things that happens is you end up damaging the wire with the tool that you're using. But really, the most satisfying way to use your cutout tool is to cut out a door or a window. So, enjoy it with me. I was wondering why this wasn't more satisfying. The 2x4 here, if you look, is actually chipped out on the edge. So, it takes away from our Hollywood finish, but I think it turned out pretty well. Especially here on this side. Check this out. See how flush this was over here? Just right on. Now keep in mind, it doesn't need to be perfect because your door jamb is going to go here and then your trim covers everything. And typically your door jamb will be spaced in a little bit as well too with shims. So it'll look perfect by the time it's done.
You made it to the end. Make sure you check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.